Hi, guys. This is Pam Faddis with Hot Chocolate Quilt Company. I'm here to talk to you about our Addicted Quilters subscription box and why you want to do this and why it's so much fun. This is the box you'll get each month. It's a pretty good size. Anyway, that's the box you'll receive in the mail, or one that size. Maybe I'll change the color. Let me switch over here to show you. All right, so when you join the club or the subscription box, what do you get in your box? Well, here, this one's just a sample, but if you were to get this box, you would receive the chocolate of the month, the pattern of the month, your fabric to make your top, and the interfacing. And then this is also your inner border and your outer border, and the gadget that's required to make this quilt. So you can see this is a really good, this is a lap size quilt. You can see that it's great quality fabric. This is Riley Blake, the line we chose for this particular one. Each month you'll get a different quilt pattern and a different style of fabric or design. It will often have a new technique. If there's something new on the market, we're going to try and capture that in each of the boxes. And you'll also get a live Zoom and recorded training or lessons on how to do the pattern. So there's no reason to feel stuck or be afraid. If you're fairly new at quilting, just know that you'll have someone you can ask questions to and recorded lessons. So hope you join us. Come on over to our website if you're not already here and join our club.